Hello students, this is Chaitanya EC Lab Assistant. Welcome to the DEC Lab and list of experiment in DEC Lab. First experiment is verification and realization of logic gates. Second is designing of adder and subtractor circuits. Third is code converters and fourth is comparators. Fifth experiment is multiplexer and demultiplexer. Sixth experiment is encoder and decoder. Seventh is 7-segment display. Eighth experiment is designing of latch and flip-flap. Ninth experiment is counter. In this DEC lab, we are using this fixed power supply and it will generate 5 volts DC power supply, and this is plus 5 volts and this is for ground. Okay, in this DEC lab we are using only 5 volts and ground, and this is called breadboard. In this breadboard, here it is divided into 2 parts. So this is one part and this is another part. In this the connectivity, it will be vertical connectivity. In this section the connectivity will be horizontal. Okay, and here these two sections are separated by the middle part, and here the whole part up to 1 2 3 4 5 horizontal slots are connected together, and here is the separation. Okay, then in this lab we are dealing with ICs, so these are called ICs. Okay, and in this the IC number is printed over here the surface of the IC like this. Like it is 7404 HCUO04, and the number will be 7404, that is NOT gate. And in this printed like this, the IC number is 7432, and here notch like a structure is there, semicircle. Okay, semicircle and circle is there. The circle point is indicates pin number 1. Semicircle and circle is there here, and at that circle point the pin number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this one is 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so there are basic gates, special gates and universal gates. 3 types of gates are there. And what are the pin configuration, what are the IC numbers present here means, so here 7408 IC is AND gate, and 7486 IC is XOR gate, and 7400 is NAND gate, and 7404 is NOT gate, and here 7402 is NOR gate. Here 7432 is OR gate. In this, for checking output, we are using a resistor and LED. What is meant by LED? LED is a light emitting diode. Okay, these are the basics we are using in digital electronics lab. This is the power supply. So this is the power supply. Where on and off button is there. It will generate 5 volts DC power supply. That's all.